is. It's I'm not sure. I think the 3/8 low profile, narrow gauge. I think it's 3/8. I don't know whether it's low profile. 1.3 gauge. Arbortech. So I'll just finishing off this about a 6-foot-ish slab cut off. I'll just cutting it off with a little saw. Held down, it just split straight away. So I probably should have had a wedge. Well, I should have had a wedge at the other end before I cut it off. I mean, maybe would have split, dried that way anyway. Well, so result, I've got this fantastic cherry slab. One, two, three, just over 4 foot. Make a nice little not big thing to sit on.